before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys want more content like this, like more unboxing videos, more sneaker reviews. I would definitely try to do that as much as possible. So of course, as I seen in the title of the video, this is my very first eBay purchase. Well, my very first sneaker purchase off of eBay. Of course, I've heard a lot about eBay, you know, scammers and all that. But of course, I took a risk and I actually hit up the seller. I was reading the description of this specific shoe. His Instagram was in the description. You know, when I hit him up on Instagram, he said he would ship them out Monday. And it was supposed to come Friday, like between Friday the 13th to Monday the 16th, but it actually came today, which I'm actually happy came today, Thursday. I'm actually very, very excited. I'm definitely excited to see. Well, I don't even know what it is, but I'm really, really excited. It's a shoe that I never thought I would ever get, and it's something that you guys would never expect me to get. But I was able to get it for under retail, and once I see what shoe I got, y'all gonna be very surprised. You know, the seller actually did say he was gonna toss something for me for the free, which is gonna be pretty dope. I don't know what it is because he sent me a picture of it. So, you know, before we get started, like I said before, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what in the comment section what shoe do y'all think I got, and make sure y'all follow me on my social medias. Everything will be in the link in the description. And let's go ahead and get into this. Again, these shoes I found for a steal. I'm just, like I said, I'm just surprised that I was able to get these for a steal. Because these particular shoes, they're not going, well, they're not going for that much, like on StockX and Coop. But it's crazy, because again, I never would have thought I would get these for under retail. Do you know what, let me just do this. And again, like it's crazy to think that I would actually get this sneaker for under retail. And if I'm purchasing it off of eBay, because again, I've heard a lot of stories about eBay and stuff, but you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I took a gamble one day, so actually, let me go ahead and put this down. And this is gonna, oh shit, I gotta take a knife. Hold on, gotta get the knife again, hold on. There you go, gotta, this up. There we go. Go ahead and close it back up. Woo. Okay, that can see the chest yet. So the first thing that he actually gave me for the free is some Travis Scott Reese's Puffs. So it's kind of, you know, it's actually really dope. It's a dope box, I'm not gonna lie. Funny because I actually used to eat Reese's Puffs when I was little. Now I haven't even tasted them in so long, but I don't really eat these. If I pick, I don't eat Reese's Puffs. But this is honestly the closest thing to a Travis Scott merch that I ever get. So I was like, if my mom eats Reese's Puffs, so I'm probably just gonna give her the bag and I'm gonna keep the box. Cause like I said before, this is the closest thing to a Travis Scott merch that I'll ever have. So this is pretty dope. I'm gonna go ahead and just put them on this table. I wasn't put on the floor, but that'd be a bad idea. Actually, let me just, if it fall on the floor, it fall on the floor. But, whew, like I said, I'm gonna be surprised at what I got. So, y'all guess the sneaker that I'm about to pull up, did you correct? If not, it's all good. Your boy got...
What? My nigga.
Some Yeezys. Yes, your boy had bought some Yeezys. And again, I've talked so much shit about Yeezys simply because of the fact that, you know, again, they're overpriced, they're overhyped in my personal opinion, because it's Kanye. That's why people overhype it. And it's crazy to think that I have this. I have a pair of Yeezys, and it's the 380s, of course. You know, like I said before, like it's basically the same box, and you know, the same boost, labels, and everything, even like right there. And again, the only difference is the number 380. So of course, y'all might be wondering what 380 did I get. It's kind of a bit there, but it's not good. Y'all might be wondering what 380s did I get. And so far, there's only been 5 that were released. The boy has caught. We'll do it this way. The boy has caught. Yeah, I can probably tell what it is. But the boy has caught the Yeezy 380 mess, and I'm not gonna lie. No lie though. No cap though. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm actually fucking with this colorway. I'm actually fucking with the colorway. And yeah, here they are, the Yeezy 380 mess, and this is actually pretty dope. I don't know, I don't know, like, it looks really dope to me, in my personal opinion, like, it really does. I'm not even gonna lie. It's really dope. And the crazy thing is, the seller, which I'm gonna talk about in a moment, the seller did say that it was lightly used, but this should look dead stock. I mean, what the laces, that's probably what he said, lightly used, but even said, like, look at this. Like, this should look dead stock, and I got it for under retail. I'm surprised he didn't even try to, like, sell them for way more than he thought he could have sold them for, but these joints are fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And again, the funny thing is, like I said before, I had talked my shit about Yeezys, and the thing is, I did say that if I was to ever get a pair of Yeezys, it would either be for under retail, which I did get, or I would get them if I was gifted them for free, which that would never happen. But I got it for under retail, this in particular. And it's funny because not a lot of people like this model, or in this case this colorway, because me personally, the Aliens and that Onyx pair that's supposed to be dropping next month, those are pretty dope colorways, if I have to say so myself. The other colorways I don't really care for, but I think these are pretty dope in my personal opinion. But I mean, just look at it. It's pretty dope, pretty fire in my personal opinion. And like, look at all this boost, bro. Look at all this boost. Like, that's crazy. Honestly, like, just from looking at it, it kind of looks small from a distance, but like, well, actually, like, from a distance, it looks small, but when you put it up close, it kind of looks small. But like I said, it looks dope. It looks fire in my personal opinion. Like, I'm glad I got these. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know, and I need to check the other pair. Also, here is the tag, just so y'all can see that it is real. I do have the tag. I've seen a lot of reviews and stuff like that, so that's how I know if I can tell if it's real or not. But the seller that I got it from, I hope he doesn't mind if I like say his actual name, but his name is Josh. But his Instagram, like I said, his Instagram was in the description when I was looking up this shoe. His Instagram is jdm.kicks_. I'll show a picture of his Instagram on the side, whichever side I choose to put him on. Like I said, that's where I got the shoes from. He got some major steals on there. Most of the sneakers that he posted on there are more than likely sold out. But I think he has a few that hasn't sold out just yet. So if you guys want some steals and deals, definitely go move over to his page and check him out. But Jesus, like these joints is fire, bro. Like, said something on this one. Like, he said like, but this shit look dead stock, bro. Like, that's crazy. Like, it's so dope and fire in my personal opinion. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, like, these joints look crazy. Like I said, I can completely understand why people don't like this model, but I think they're dope in my personal opinion. And I can kind of see like the color would be a little bit hard to like rock with, but honestly though, like I think I can pull it off. I think I can pull these off. And again, I'm gonna try them on when I get a chance. And again, this is not a full-on review. Like I said, I'm gonna do a full-on review when I get a chance. But again, these are pretty dope, in my personal opinion. And again, shout out to Josh, aka JDM.catch_. Thank you for blessing me. Well, thank you for blessing me with these for a steal. He priced these at $185 with plus like shipping and eBay's fees, which is kind of ridiculous. So it came into about like $200 plus. And honestly, that's just still like under retail for these, and like these retail for $230. That's the crazy part. So that's crazy in my personal opinion. Like I got some Yeezys for under retail, but it's a shock to me. Like I've only known the sneaker game for like 2 years now. And I'm just finding steals and deals everywhere. So like I said, I'm glad to have these. And again, definitely stay tuned for that sneaker review, that full-on sneaker review. I just want to do more faith for that because these are dope in my personal opinion. Like just looking at them in hand, like I could definitely match them with a few outfits that I have, but overall, like I said, these are pretty dope in my personal opinion. So let me know what you guys think of the Yeezy 380 if you have a pair that you caught for retail, or you got it for over retail or something like that. But like I said, these are pretty dope. They look, like I said, dead stock to me, but they just look fire. But yeah, these joints are fire. That's all I gotta say. Of course I'm gonna keep them because I got them from the retail. Why would I try to sell these if I got it from the retail? I'm definitely keeping these. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share the video. Watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you guys get up there and get a live stream, pop videos and stuff like that. And let me know what you guys, like I said, what you guys think of the 380 models. Like I said, I definitely do think these are dope in my personal opinion. Like I said, this colorway, in the honors, are probably like the best colorways in my personal opinion. And again, these are just pretty dope. I can't wait to try these on after I end this video. But yeah, these are dope. And like I said before, shout out to Josh for these, as well as the Reese's Prep, the Travis Scott Reese's Prep. Shout out to him for both of these. I really appreciate it. And like I said before, go on his Instagram. Like I said, link will be in the description, and check out what sneakers you guys might like for a steal. Like I said, like he had this for a steal, and I had to cop them. So honestly, these are like probably better than getting the PlayStation 5. So I'm actually happy about that. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.